Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Diana and today I'm going to show you how to make earrings. So what you need is some glue. I haven't used this glue before on earrings, but we're going to try it. It's Fabric Tack by Beacon and I bought this at Michael's. You need some earrings. I bought this pack at Athenian Fashions in downtown Los Angeles. They were $6. So I'm just going to put the trash on this side, lay these out. You're going to need a pair of French hooks. I got these for a dozen at Rings and Things. It's an online store. They're already right there. You're going to need a chain nose plier. And since these have holes in them, see, has a hole in the ear, has a hole on the side, so there's 4 holes. I have some Swarovski crystals that I'm gonna glue onto them. So, and then the French hooks, and then you need 2 jump rings because you're gonna put them through the hooks. And then I also have my jewelry tag, and I'm just gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna attach it yet, but I'm gonna probably put it inside the French hook, and then it'll just sting from the back. So let's get started. First, I'm going to get the earring, and then I'm going to get one of the jump rings. You get the chain nose plier, and then what you want to do is just open it up. Shit. Hold on one second, I have to get my other tool. This jump ring's kind of hard, so let's try it with 2. So then you just want to open it up a little bit. You see it's a little open now. So let's just grab the pendant and see if it goes through. It doesn't go through yet, so what we have to do is open the jump ring a little bit more. Okay, so now see, we have the jump ring through. So now turn it over to the side and grab one of the French hooks and then just put it inside the jump ring. And now you just want to close it. Oh wait, you know what? Before I do, since I am going to put my label through it, you want to grab the other little jump ring. This one's a lot thinner, so it'll be easier to open. So my jewelry tag already has a hole, so I'm going to close the jump ring. Okay, I went ahead and added the jump ring to my tag. Just make sure that if you also have your own tags, just make sure you close the jump ring. So I'm going to grab the earring that already has the jump ring in it, and I'm going to put my jewelry label through the jump ring. And now we're just going to close the jump ring. See, you have an earring. How cool is that? I'm gonna wear them tonight. Today I'm volunteering for an art show called Viva la Mujer, and I wanted to make these so I can wear them today. today is preview night. So let's go ahead and finish the other one. Let's grab the jump ring. Have to open it up just a little bit more. Now grab the French hook and put it through the jump ring. Now we have to close it. So now, we don't need the tools anymore, so you can put them off to the side. So I'm going to put these two on this side. This is a part where it gets kind of tricky. So just open up the glue. And grab the pliers, and then I'm just gonna add some glue to like behind this. You can get a paper towel or a napkin and just put some glue just like on a surface that you're gonna throw away. Add some glue right there. Close the glue so it doesn't dry out. You want to grab your nose pliers. Let me put this off to the side. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of the crystals, just like that. Make sure you grab it well. And you're just going to dip it in the glue. I don't know if you could see it, but there's glue on there. So grab a good amount because it's going to dry, and it dries clear anyways. So then you just see the hole right there. I'm going to put it right on top of the hole because I want to cover the hole. And then this should dry, I think, in a few hours. And just make sure it's on there well so it doesn't fall off. So now you just want to grab the other one. And then just dip it in some glue. I think I'm going to lay these outside too because it's really sunny today. Maybe it'll dry up faster. Okay, so we just have 2 more holes to fill in on this earring. And then if you get like glue that gets stuck here, just, you know, just take it off and rub your fingers like that, and then just put it on the piece of paper or paper towel that you're using. So grab the other crystal, dip it in some glue. And the other hole's right there. And you're just gonna add it on right there. Ooh, it looks so cute, so sparkly. I can't wait to wear these. Now, have one more. Just make sure you get some glue. Wait. I actually need to put more glue. So grab the crystal. Oh, it's already getting stuck to the paper. All right. So grab the crystal. Let's try it again. Dip it in some glue. I don't know if you could see, but there's glue on there. There's the other hole. And just place it right on top of the hole. And there you have it. You have an earring. Got your French hook, your jump ring. Look, I turned, all the supplies were inexpensive. I mean, the earrings, 2 of them for $6, so it was 3 each. The Swarovski crystals, I actually got those from work, so those were free. But if you can't get free stuff, they sell crystals at Michael's, and you could always use like their 40% off coupon. Sometimes they have 50% off coupons. You just have to subscribe to their newsletters and then, you know, just check your email often. So let's just finish the other one. I'm gonna put this off to the side. And see the before and after. Before, after. Isn't that cute? Okay, so let's finish up. I'm gonna grab my paper with my glue. I'm gonna grab my crystal. Oh, but I have glue on my pliers, so let's take it off. Okay, I have more glue. Gonna grab some glue, put it on the hole. There we go. Just make sure, and then just press down on it, make sure that it's on right. And then just check your pliers for excess glue and just take it off. Grab the other crystal, put some glue on there. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, it all came off. Just grab it again. So then you just want to glue the other one. And then just tap it down a little. I need a little bit more glue, so we're going to grab the glue, put it on the piece of paper. And let's finish up. Just press it down. Make sure they're in place exactly where you want them. And boom, there you have it. You have your first pair, well, not your first, but if you're making earrings for the first time, well, then this would be your first pair. Look at how cute they are. I love the color gold. It's one of my favorite colors. And there's my name. And they're not heavy. They might look heavy, but they're not. They're actually really light. If you guys are interested in learning more or wanting to learn how to make a certain item, please let me know. Leave me a comment and I'll have all the supplies listed in the description. Thank you guys. Bye.